Okay.
So this is 30 years.
30 years.
You'll be an old man in 30
At
years.
this rate.
I said don't need it as soon as
All right. So the question is, how far is it from wherever they ended up today?
Wait, we already did this.
We didn't do it.
No, we do use that.
How do I get the answer?
We need this angle right here, and then we can do. That's basically side angle side, so we can use log cosine. Find that we.
Yeah, we'll use that later.
Okay, so how do we find the angle? It told us. If you draw a north-south line right there.
It said that? What? I didn't know that.
Told us what?
It told us we could do that?
Do
We
what?
just chop it in half like that?
Okay, this is not chopping in half. This is a north-south line.
That looks kind of curved.
Oh, that's a north-south.
Does that say 500? Yeah, it does.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm now confused to where those numbers came from.
But
This is where we ended up. This is the last thing we were at yesterday.
Yeah, I just don't remember.
They went an hour and a half at 200 miles an hour. So that would be 300 miles. 1.5
Where's that
times.
500 come from?
GSM
250 times.
250 kilometers an hour for 2 hours.
Oh, gotcha.
Huh?
What page is this?
365. Okay,
I thought you could 76.
so I kind of extended this line right here that the first plane was on, even though it stopped here and went in a different direction. This was a 200-degree angle right here. So what is this angle? What's this gap right here going to be? 20.
Is that supposed to be the north-south?
This is a north-south line right here. Okay, the 200 degrees is 20 degrees past 180, right? Yes, north-south. I know that's a bit off. Okay, so if this is 20, that means this thing right here is 20 also. Okay, because they're vertical angles. Okay, how many degrees? Shh, hush. How many degrees is this?
20.
Why is it 20?
Because it's 360 minus 340.
Right. This angle right here was 340, which means it's 20 degrees short of 360.
Sure, let's go.
So that's 20 degrees.
So that means that whole thing right there is a 40 degree.
So that's a 40-degree angle down there.
So now we can do that.
Yeah, so now we have side, angle, side. So we have enough information to use log cosine.
This is going to be a big number.
Well, no, it should be less than, like, it looks shorter than these two. Now, my picture's not 100% accurate, but it's roughly accurate. So I'm guessing it'll be like 250 or something. Let's see what the book says. No, that was too small. Why don't you guys try and solve that?
Did you
I've got it.
did you get this number over here?
That was 360 digit.
It is 360.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Hey, that's a whole.
We're doing
Yeah.
Drew, that's yours, right?
You got a calculator? Yeah.
Jackson, did you leave your calculator with you?
No, I have my calculator.
Oh. Well,
I'm just happy East
Who's-
took my turn.
Good job, Ethan.
He's not a thief anymore. Like a thief in the night.
I hate the dance stuff, because who said hey,
Okay,
Ethan?
did you guys try it? Drew,
Yes, I did.
What?
did you try it?
No, I
No.
just let Josh
Do it.
Okay.
He was giving me the.
What'd you get?
Yeah. That. Please ask me.
That I did not do that. He got the decimal, but he did it around.
I read it. See?
Good job, Jack.
What were we finding? With the area?
no, listen, something, listen. Listen.
Okay, that's right.
Should be 300 and something.
331.94.
But I don't wanna push too hard. 'cause-
331.9.
I can't see why you're trying to get home.
You're just like, what's wrong with it?
But then everybody was like, no.
It's more around that way.
I, no, my number just went
Bro, who are the people that were saying
I
that?
can't believe it.
Did you take the square root at the end? Do you remember to do square root?
It was still like in the hundred thousands.
It should be in the 100,000. It should be about 100,000.
And then Kate said Mustang Tuesday, but he's.
Yeah, it was,
And
110,000.
then you take the square root.
You just have to-
Yeah.
Why should you say okay, we have practice
In fact,
We
So
don't like
today,
we had practice, but there was.
300 and 500, yeah. 300 squared plus
oh,
500.
I multiplied
They have
instead.
the next one.
We had practice.
They're not good at they're
We had practice, but there was people standing there.
Okay, I'm starting the test review.
This wait, guys, sit down.
Yeah, it is. You both were so free every time. Oh, they were.
They were kind of looking, cause like, you want to just turn, if there's a,
And you got recorded and you were free too. That felt a little mean that.
Okay,
first,
boys.
Like 20 points.
I got this paper.
Boys, we're starting.
we kept them in the same place.
Yeah.
Can I put this on the same paper?
No.
No, the other paper you have to actually turn in.
But like on the back side of that paper, can I write whatever it is here?
Let's do, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yay.
You know, gotta save them trees.
What did you say?
Isn't like 8th grade where we had that thing where you just hated trees, Mr. Jordan?
Don't you want?
Yes.
I guess.
You hate trees?
Let's do it different.
Team trees. Mr. Beast?
You lost the one. Why am I redoing it?
Let's round to the 10th place on all these.
And you have to find data?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think that's right, that, because he likes.
Hey,
Pokeball.
was I talking to you?
Yeah.
Wait,
No.
did you just call it Theta?
Yeah, what's
The
the
Pokeball, my bad.
Yeah.
Pokeball, my bad.
Get it right.
You say Pokeball?
Yeah, technically that's how it's supposed to be pronounced, but
No.
nobody does that.
And why is it not Pokemon?
Technically that's how it's
Oh,
supposed
that's
to be.
gross.
I know, I don't call it that.
My chat was so reasonable.
I don't think Pokemon.
You said, oh, that's gross.
What's even worse is like the only time they say that is in like the anime's announcer says that, and so he's like, "It's a new Pokemon adventure." It just sounds awful. It's garbage.
I thought it was Pokemon.
Yeah.
I thought it was Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Pokehonkus.
Pokemon.
I think I got the right answer. You used cosine.
Are we doing three significant digits?
10th place.
Okay.
How are we supposed to set them up?
You remember that, Brady?
Yeah. No, that's what I got, but then I got confused on what I do after that.
Wait.
Remember this?
Oh, you do the little switcheroo, don't you?
What are you talking about?
You do cos 15.
It's like cosine inverse, right?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was me.
Brady, what do you think?
Oh, heck,
Cause
yeah,
I want to.
36.9.
Wait, I just made my,
I
like,
too
I did it
one
really
so
wrong,
whatever.
but I just-
What are you talking about?
I don't know, I'm talking out loud.
Well, maybe stop.
Thank you. I got 36.9.
I can confirm.
I said that first, but
Ha.
you stole my thunder.
Who?
Try.
Ass.
He was in the zone. Alright, number 2, what trig function should we use?
Oh, I'm done with that.
Opposite, adjacent, tangent. I should have probably, well, we need to keep a pace here.
Anyone want to cuddle off the math lesson? Okay. Isn't Nevaeh supposed to?
She came by to talk to the teachers.
Is she sick?
All I
She's
heard
got-
her say was sorry, I'll be here tomorrow.
She's got strep.
And she was here?
Yeah,
Well,
Let's get struck.
for like 10 minutes.
I'm.
Ah, that's correct.
Oh no, I'm gonna be out till Christmas. Just kidding.
Looks like I can't take the final.
You're kidding, but it wouldn't surprise me.
Hey, that's not very nice.
It's the truth.
Hey, truth hurts. So don't tell me the truth.
It's like quoting the Bible.
Seven.
Dude, it's happening at 7 now.
Even
Okay, did you guys get 2?
Hold on, I'm about done.
4.3.
Matthew, I want you to
That's
know
actually incorrect.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were saying like
Dang.
Our hypotenuse was actually
smaller than my
4.3.
No, it's not right. We're doing 3 significant digits.
Yeah.
No, we're doing 10th place.
What?
Let's go.
I asked the same question and you said the same answer. But
You're
if you
actually,
were,
you're actually wrong. You're wrong. 7. You know what? Because you're wrong too.
Oh wait, for some reason I found the hypotenuse on that one.
watch.
I don't know how you
I'm a little retarded.
That's
4.1, right?
I actually
No.
4.3.
somehow I accidentally saw 400 on that problem.
Then
That's not the right answer, so I didn't.
Matthew, we don't joke about that here.
I feel like one of these days I'm gonna look back at this math and think that I was just an idiot.
You don't think
No,
that's
it'll probably be hard
I'm
for you
gonna
to
I'm gonna
up
pull
to.
up the YouTube videos from this math class in like 17 years and be like,
Would it still be on YouTube in 17 years?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to be on YouTube forever.
Well, too bad.
too late. You uploaded a video now.
I downloaded all the videos.
I screen record every.
Oh, I can go back and delete it.
No.
I just said I screen record every video.
Oh.
You
I'm
should
just
keep it
joking.
just because it's fun.
Shit.
Wow, thanks,
Don't you hate that?
Gosh, you guys make me sound like an ace. Like, I said,
We don't make you sound like that.
You make
Bethany,
it
you
sound
make
like
yourself.
ah,
Oh, wait.
You make yourself sound
I know, okay?
like Brady.
Yeah. I don't know what you said, but I agree. 100%.
See? Mine wouldn't be sad.
What'd you say?
I said I love you.
Oh, okay. See, I agree. 100%.
I agree. How can you?
So,
I love myself too.
number 3, you have to use this sign.
Oh, this is law of the thing.
Okay.
Sign.
What changed on 3 and 4?
They're not really.
They're not right triangles.
They're not right triangles. So that means we have to start using
Cosine.
law of sines, law of cosines.
Cosines.
Law of sines, I expect you have memorized. Law of cosines, I'll leave it on the board.
We have to write it down.
Oh,
or sign it?
side angle side. Oh no.
You just have to be able to use it. I didn't put it as a question on the test. You just have to be able to do it.
Wait. We have to know the law of cosines?
No, it's not.
No.
Law of sines is so good.
You have to be able to use law of cosines. You have to know the law of sines by heart.
And law of sine is so good. Toa.
No,
No,
that's just
sign.
What's
law of sines is sine over. Law of sines is what you need for this one.
Sine A over A equals sine B over B.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's easy enough. You should have that memorized.
I need to remember that. Can you do number 3?
You've done these before, Brady. The first step would probably be find this angle right here. Cause you need to do like sine of this over this.
Oh, I remember this kinda. That angle is 36.
So sine of 36 over 17 equals, yeah, you did some of these on your own.
I remember this now. I don't think I knew what it was called. Wait.
I don't think I did this right. Josh, what do you number 4?
30.
30.9.
Let's see what you did.
It might be right.
I don't know, I just made these numbers up. Even if it was the test question, I still don't have the answers
76.
on me.
I don't think I ever done anything.
I'm getting there. Let's take a chill pill.
Point what?
How was mine any different?
I think I rounded it.
I got 30.9.
That's what.
Oh, wait, where did you get 30 at?
Number 4.
Okay, good.
But since we're doing 3 of the 3 significant figures, you include that decimal.
We're doing the tens place. Whatever this comes out to be should be number 3.
Come on.
So you cross multiply, so 17 times sine of 124 equal, divided by sine of 36.
I got 23.5.
Alright, you guys agree?
I had 23.9.
That's
For
fine.
that one? For 3, I got 41.2.
I got 20.9. Wait, the first one?
Yeah.
Number 3?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably should.
23
I got
is
24.
24.
It's 24.
That's
How did you guys all get different answers?
It's because they round and round.
It's
because it's
23.98.
23.97 or 8.
I
So
know.
It rounds the 9 up. to
Okay,
10.
rounds to 24.
Number 3 is 24. Number 4 is 30.9.
But no, we're.
Wait a minute.
Nah, that's cat.
No,
Because it rounds the 9 up.
Hold up.
Sine of
Yeah.
24.
14.1 times 0.6.
I don't know where you're getting the 14. What are you doing?
This is number
Number 3.
We're talking about 3.
8. What?
What
What
number
are
are
you
you
doing here?
How did I get 20? Or how did I get? I got the right answer
These
somehow.
numbers aren't even in the problem.
Hey.
None of those numbers.
Wait. Oh. You're making Beth look smart here. Hold up.
Hey, I swear I'm not stupid. I just like to actually process things.
Just for
Just for
really
a really
long
long
time.
No. I got 23.5.
It
That's
takes
not the right answer.
It's almost the right answer.
But it's not.
5
not
to 6
getting it
business
right.
days.
What did I do? Hey, Mr. Jordan, can you please come over here?
It's 23.9, my friend. I just redid the problem.
No,
But they said it's
He's
24.
not even using the right number.
How can I
Mine is basically 24.
What?
Ladies.
You might
You round up.
you might as
The
well
7
do
rounds
23 plus
to
9
9,
equals 24.
which
so you
rounds-
got the right answer.
Okay, like,
There's no
Mr. Jordan, look, this is what you get. The 7 rounds of 9
Actually,
which rounds
but
to 3.
the-
So it's
I
24.
don't know.
He's not even doing the right problem. He's doing like 14.8 divided by
And this is whatever Jackson does.
It's like,
He got his 23.
Yeah,
that's the right answer.
7 rounds of 9 which rounds to 4.
Yes, that's right.
So what'd you get?
Me,
I don't even know what rate it's
24. There. End of story.
me and Matthew have it right since the beginning, and I don't
Yeah,
know
Jordan
why
has
it's still.
two.
I had 2.
And he
I just did.
So
I wrote
do.
23.98,
I saw
but I
an
didn't
error
care
of my
around it.
ways and I came to the line.
We converted.
Join our
17 times
Who?
this divided by that.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
Oh,
better-
that?
yeah.
yeah, you better chill out.
No, I
bet
wasn't-
you would've
no, I'm like,
found
seriously,
it
who?
down.
Like, I don't know.
It's
Wait, is that
like,
how you do it?
I'm pretty sure.
Down smash?
Oh, I thought you said someone.
I remember the
I
first
figured
time.
out. I compare
Back
it
in
to
my
you.
who?
So does down smash cancel the
I don't do the who asked.
The
Okay,
first
I
time played
almost did it
Smash,
right. Jack chose that character, clapped my cheeks, and then just BM'd with that. And it was, I was like, alright, I don't really like this game. We play a different game.
And then Drew never played Smash again.
Alright,
Now he just plays Kirby and just.
That's his villain story.
so how is 4 different?
An angle.
Because you have all the sides.
So you're finding that, how do we find the angle?
Sign in.
Sine inverse, so you have to do sine inverse of all that stuff. You can probably do it one step. Sine inverse of all that stuff.
That.
This Apple Watch kind of stuff.
And they said 30.9, so I assume that's right.
It's 122 and 10 seconds.
Any questions on that one? We good to go?
What's the
Hello, number 5.
Minecraft.
Do we need to do a couple?
Yo,
my first Minecraft server. I love Minecraft. Bethany, do you play Minecraft?
No.
Do you play Fortnite?
Have you like gone to the Nether and killed a dragon? You're such a noob. Get on a level, man.
It's reasons like that Minecraft died. I'm not joking, that is the reason Minecraft died.
And then it got brought back for some reason. I don't know why.
I never
PewDiePie.
Was it PewDiePie?
It was his,
Okay.
He's the one who like kind of pretty much.
5 is up, 5 is up.
It was already on the backswing, but he was
No, Minecraft will never die, okay? You guys just.
Minecraft is immortal.
Did it actually die?
No.
Someone shot
It did for a bit.
Well, because
Yeah, and then the 10-year anniversary came out and all that stuff came out and it came back.
Yeah, I never stopped playing, never once. I just wasn't allowed to talk about it. I was like, equality.
Really?
Well, I think actually what happened is all the cringy kids migrated to Fortnite.
Yes, that's what happened. No, I'm not joking, that's exactly what happened.
Alright,
Because when Fortnite died, Minecraft came back.
Oh, God. Wow.
Wow, Brady thing.
Talking about Matthew.
Good joke.
Notice how no one laughed at your joke.
Yeah, everybody laughed at your joke.
Shut up, Bethany.
Bethany.
This is how she verbally begins.
Can Bethany leave at Christmas too?
Holy crap. Just kidding, I
Can
want
we?
this
Let's
one.
make Bethany leave instead of Josh.
Josh, you can just put it on a wig and pretend.
All
He
I
just didn't need a
want
wig.
for Christmas is not you.
Just let me keep my hair, Mr. G.
Just never get a haircut like you're originally planning.
Morning after Thanksgiving, I woke up to Mariah Carey. It was the worst. Or after Thanksgiving.
I was gonna say after Christmas.
Yeah.
What?
I was like, no.
I heard that she makes $1 million off of.
I heard that
royalties
today.
Just.
Like every year?
Yeah, when I was-
Yeah, no, just during like December.
Well, so every year.
No, she makes I think $2 million throughout the whole year.
Yeah.
On royalties.
I heard
I
that.
feel like
Wait,
it'd be
this-
more for how much that song is.
She makes $1 million not in December from that song?
Yes. Not in December?
Yeah.
Yes.
People are just playing it like January and stuff.
Well, it's probably like in a movie or something.
Yeah.
Jeez. How much you make in December then?
$1 million.
But that's just
Only in
one
December.
song, and she has
Yeah,
like
just on-
multiple
oh.
albums, and then
I'm surprised it
remastered
makes any
songs.
money not in December. Alright,
I forgot how to do
so how do we do 5?
Yep,
Oh.
you do C
Right,
squared.
so in other words,
Oh.
log cosines.
I already got the answer, man.
Log
Hold
cosines.
on, mister, hold on.
We're
Go,
gonna have that one though.
go, yes, it'll be on the
I'm
board.
gonna have a food, baby.
Alright, that's how you do something.
Okay.
You know?
Wait, does it
Yes.
matter? Oh my.
You said what like
No, I was just like, what are we?
Oh.
If it's a little a and a little b, that means it's the angles, right?
No, I mean,
No,
it's-
sides. Cosine of C. Cosine takes angles.
Mr. Jordan,
Yes.
did you fart? Because you blew me away.
That doesn't know.
Is that how do I respond?
Wait, does that mean you have to find the angles then?
Angles.
You mean one angle?
We have one angle.
You only need.
You have to find X, which is a side. You only need one angle.
You have to plug in this with cosine to work.
For side angle side, you use
Yes, that's
all the cosine.
that's what I wrote.
Basically, if law of sines does not work, you have to use law of cosines. If we're looking for a side, little c would stand for a side. If we're looking for an angle, big C stands for the angle.
Oh, I am high. That was so funny. Hi.
Brady said like 35.
Brady,
Don't believe my answers, right?
when is your answer ever wrong?
Every single day.
Guys,
Wrong.
I think I know.
How did that's a point off?
I bet it's like
That question mark.
30.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, on what? On 5 or 6?
5.
Oh, yeah.
I
Pretty
got
close.
Oh,
It's
five.
pretty
30,
33.
3,
4. Yeah.
point.
Talking about 6, guys.
Sound like
We haven't even done 5,
the guy
woman.
from Zootopia.
Guys.
Oh,
I
I
did.
did.
You're done.
I did an oopsie.
You're done. I said he said.
Oh, did you type it all in and forget to do the fraction?
Significant?
I said he said
That's
something
what I
like
did.
that.
I'm pretty
This
sure
positive
that
slot.
Dylan has done it right.
30. 30.
Mr. Jordan, I'm not doing it.
Or
Mr. Jordan.
It's not no
It's
two.
probably next time.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Mr. Jordan's a hacker.
You're what?
Hacker man.
Hacker man.
Wait, why is my
Yeah,
answer
I did
negative?
my calves.
What is hacker man gets into the main frame?
Stop.
You have to be nice to it.
Give it a kiss.
Why is your
Falcon punch it.
Falcon.
Impossible.
Okay. So
By the way, you owe me $5 on the
on this one,
cancel that till we start.
shh. Okay. X will be my C squared.
30.
So basically it's just 12 squared plus 42 squared minus 2 times 12 times 42, I didn't leave enough room, times cosine of 38. X squared equals that. So you plug all that in, and then what do you do at the end of that?
Square root.
Square root, because x squared equals this, so you have to square root all of this stuff, like that. And what'd you say, guys say, 33.44? Alright, how about the other one? Why?
You said only 3
That's
sig.
bad.
sig-
Try tapping on like one of the other slides to see if it goes away.
bomb.
Alright.
That worked.
Okay, this is the law of cosine. Side is law of cosines too, but you have to, we're looking for the angle, so we need this one. A squared plus B squared. So C would be the side opposite the angle. So 15 squared will be my C squared. So 10 squared plus 8 squared minus 15 squared over 2 times 10 times 8.
Okay, so I did that right.
That's what cosine of x equals. Did you do cosine inverse?
That's my trick. I might have.
So to find angle x, you do cosine inverse of all that stuff.
That's still not loading.
We can-
Sounds like what, 2 weeks ago?
Alright, what'd you
I
get?
didn't see any of my
that?
That's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
I, well, actually I did, wait, it's only 3 stages.
Joshua,
Yeah,
you already did the 10th place.
Oh my
Beth
gosh,
me
this
even got
I
it.
Stupid-
also got that,
this
but I
stupid
didn't
dumb
get that.
Issa got it, so you know I'm
Lisa, is this accurate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Esau, is this mathematically accurate?
No, I don't think we have enough time for sure.
We got lots of time.
I guess not.
Okay. So the other thing you have to have memorized besides law of sines, you guys remember what I said it was?
Yes, the area formula.
Area formula.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
It's like
One
half
half
AB
Yeah.
cosine C.
That's
That,
what?
That's
It was half
Jordan,
AB times
that's
cosine
what?
C
right, Mr. Jordan, was it half AB
times.
cosine C or sine C, sine, yeah?
Yes.
Y'all was right.
86.
Let's do 15, 10, what's that look like? 125. This time it's area, not a side, not an angle. Area. And you do need to have this memorized.
Yes.
Are we supposed to solve this?
Yes, find the
Wait,
area.
I got a negative answer, that doesn't seem right.
No, it's not.
The area is negative.
Seeing as there's no negative numbers, that would be kind of difficult.
I don't
Would be kind of difficult.
How is it possible you got?
Oh, I did
122.07.
cosine instead of sine.
Yeah, that makes sense. I-
61.
That's not right. I got 61.4.
I got 61.4. How do you guys go so fast?
Plug it in.
Dang.
Want to see some speed? I'll show you some pretty little speed.
1/2 times A and B, little a and little b are the sides, Brady. It doesn't really matter which.
It don't matter.
No.
Still don't
C,
get how they go so fast.
big C is the angle. I just plugged all that in. After this one.
And that one was
What was
Why
it?
do you plug it in so slow? Are you plugging it in again?
61.4?
61.4.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You guys remember how to label areas? Units squared?
Yes, sir.
You
Or
don't get to chill out,
centimeters
so
squared.
stacks in Minecraft only go up to 64.
Okay, thank you.
And 64 divided by
Hey,
2.
wait, we have bundles now.
What?
What?
Bundles?
What's that?
Oh, yeah, we do.
What is a bundle?
What is one of them?
Basically, if you get like, I think it's like 4 leather and then string, you can put up to 64 items, like different items. It's basically a shulker box you can't look into. And if you hover over it, it shows you what's in it.
That's so.
How do you
It's-
empty
it's-
it?
Well, yeah, how do you
It's a
Okay.
shoulder box, but not a shoulder box.
Guys, on this next one, I'm just going to read
How do
it.
you open these?
Shh, listen. I'm going to read it, and you're gonna have to draw. Just draw it and figure out what the angles are. Okay, the sides of an isosceles triangle have lengths 5, 8, and 8. What are the measures of its angles?
Or the 5, the two sides?
The sides of an isosceles triangles are 5, 8, and 8. What are the measures of its angles?
You have to use side formula.
Actually, that you don't.
Oh,
But you could.
math is hard.
There's 2 ways to do it.
Okay.
Wait, what are we looking for?
Is the angles.
Oh.
And you said it don't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. Does anybody know how to do it without law of cosines?
You gotta make the middle line.
On an isosceles triangle, the altitude splits it perfectly in half. Most triangles don't do that, but isosceles it does. This is like number 1 from yesterday, I think. So this is 2.5. Call that x. So yeah, you could use law of cosines, the angle version, or we've got a little right triangle there with 2.5 and 8. So this is adjacent hypotenuse for x. Cosine of x equals adjacent.
Where are we trying from?
Angles.
Okay.
You have to find all the angles or just one?
Oh. On my isosceles triangle, the base angles are the same now.
Mm-hmm. How do I know what angle I just found?
No.
Just Mr. Jordan, what angle did I just find?
Oh.
I like your Apple Watch.
What did you use for your C?
What did I use for C?
Did you get?
I used
1.8 and 30.
one of the sides, 8 squared.
Yeah.
It turns on our
Very true, you're right.
Well, then you found this or this.
Okay, so there's so they're the same.
turns on your rigger.
I think I did something. I
Oh,
did that side one,
She's like
Yeah.
really lazy.
and
It's
I got like
My thing's
and just
only,
like a
Probably
really
about
low
70
stairs.
36
only filled
you
out
know.
after basketball player.
Oh yeah, I bet.
And then
Like before
And
that,
workout.
I got
Yeah.
it's
What did
always
you guys
right.
get on this one?
I got, hold up,
Angle A was 30.
36.4 for one of them and then 71.8 for the rest.
Yes.
71.8 for the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's what I got also.
I did.
Whatever Bethany got,
Cause I get-
is not right.
I actually got that, I just forgot I wrote it down.
What is it?
I'm not writing anything.
Okay.
I did it, Mr. Jordan.
There's a tit button.
Yeah, you didn't know about that?
No.
Oh what?
What was
On
it?
your Apple Watch, if you
36.4,
go to the calculator, you can put in a number and there's a button that'll hit.
36.8.
No, look.
It.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can do 180 minus these two to get that one. That's probably you did.
Dang.
15%. I don't do anything above 15%.
Mr. Jordan.
That's a good arm, you playing baseball?
Okay, number 9. This will be our
You got a
last.
good grip there, son.
We'll
Like
stop
tennis.
here
You don't
today.
play tennis?
At a distance of 500 meters,
Wait, say this again?
I'm gonna read it, you draw it. They don't draw it for you in the test either. At a distance of 500 meters, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is 60 degrees. How tall is the building? At a distance of 500 meters, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is 60 degrees.
Is this an equilateral triangle?
A
How
right turn.
tall is the building? Yes, it is right.
It's like
triangle.
500.
I said 500 meters away from the building, 60 degrees the angle of elevation. 60 degrees means you're looking up at 60 degrees.
Speed run.
Got it. Not the answer, I'm just saying, like, I drew it, so I'm proud of myself.
Right.
How'd you draw?
You were right.
Done. That was the quickest speed run.
That's the picture.
Okay, I was right, take that,
Oh, I
right
read
angle.
take that.
The buildings do go up at right angles, yes.
Well, it could be like the Leaning Tower of Pizza.
And you have to find how tall the building
Is
is.
it actually made out of pizza?
Pizza.
It's Pisa.
Not pizza.
It's made
Hey
out of
Josh, where is
pieces.
the Leaning
Some-
Tower of Pisa?
It's Holly.
Where in Italy?
I got an answer, but I really don't think it's right.
I don't know.
What's the name
Josh.
of the tower?
That's wrong. That's right.
It should be pretty tall.
Okay.
Yes.
That's the answer.
Yes.
It's pretty tall.
So relative to this angle, we got opposite and adjacent, so that's tangent.
You don't finish it yet.
Equals x over 500.
Don't.
Drew, did you get a tattoo?
Come on.
Okay.
You want me to catch you up? Let
Kinda.
me catch you up, bro. I'll get you right.
Are students allowed to have tattoos?
They just can't be visible.
Is it
Asking for.
Is it 866.0?
Sure.
0.0.
Mrs. Plummer has tattoos.
Is it
She's not a
866?
student though.
Huh?
She's not a student.
But she's, I think she's
The
allowed.
same rule applies for teachers.
Oh. Yeah, go ahead, get your tattoos, both of them.
I'm not gonna get
You're gonna get like a dragon that comes up around here and then wraps around your
Like
neck.
teardrops.
It's a lot of teardrops, Bethany.
Like the eye of the dragon will be your eye, and then it like wraps around your neck.
That sounds terrible.
Josh, let me see.
I think you should go with that.
My mom told me that she get a tattoo. I don't ever want to get a tattoo, but I was driving with my
I would
mom.
say
She was
that.
like,
No.
I think you look good with a tattoo.
My mom like can care less about anything.
Josh, let me
My
see.
mom was telling me to get a full body tattoo. She was telling me to get a full body tattoo on one of my shoulders or something.
Okay, what'd you guys get for X?
866.0.
No, yeah, 866.
Okay.
He's so sick. You like my toilet?
I just made these numbers up, so that is like almost a kilometer. So that's a really tall building.
What's the tallest?
I don't know if the Sears Tower maybe about that
Isn't
tall.
there one in Dubai that's
Dude,
Burj
that's-
Khalifa?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like multiple miles.
Okay,
Oh,
Mr.
really?
Jordan, I got the right answer, but I don't know if I did it easy.
It looks
There's
insane.
well, if you get a right triangle, you can just use so and so as stuff like
Oh no.
tangent.
Oh, no, no.
I should have done that, but I didn't.
You can still use line triangle and
Yeah.
stuff. It's okay. All right. Yeah, I said that was the last one for today, didn't I?